by my government under this scheme. My government is encouraging horticulture, livestock and fisheries sectors as growth engines in the state. Andhra Pradesh has emerged as the largest producer of fruits in the country, contributing 15.6% of the total production at the national level. The state ranks first in productivity of oil palm, papaya, lime, coca, tomato, coconut and chilies, and second in mango, sweet orange and turmeric in India. About 249 lakh women from SC, ST, BC and minority community of 45 to 60 years of age are being provided assistance under the Jagannath Jiva Kranti Vadakam scheme, implemented with a project cost of rupees 1,867.50 crore for providing sheep and goat as per the beneficiary choice. Dairy development has been accorded priority.